welcome back to Redneck Garage. On this one today we're going to be doing a 7.3 turbo and installing a wicked wheel. So here's our turbo right here, and here's our wicked wheel setup, all brand new everything. So we just got to get this dirty bad boy tore down. Alright, so here we go. We got her all apart, and it didn't matter because we got a new wheel here anyways, but this one we kind of chingered up because it didn't want to come fucking look. But oh well. So we're gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up and painted. Alright, here we go. We got the old turbo out, the good old 7.3. I had to change the wastegate on it because this one didn't have one. Stock turbo with a wicked wheel, nice and purdy now. Here's the old wheel, it's all chingered, but that was a stock wheel. This is now the wicked wheel. See how it performs.